welcome once again back to my channel. On today's video, I'm actually going to be showing you my lipstick collection because I mentioned on one of my videos, I can't remember which one it was, that I have more than 100 lipsticks. I think, I'm pretty sure I do. Yes, I do. And some of you guys wanted to see my lipstick collection, so I just figured I would film this and show you my lipstick collection and give you swatches of the shades that I have. So this is going to be kind of like a long video because I do have a couple of lipsticks to swatch. So yeah, before we get started, please make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also turn on that notification bell to get notified when I upload videos, and give it a thumbs up at the end if you liked it. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I think I'm going to start with this right here. My sister-in-law gave me this tower. I think it was either for my birthday or for Christmas. So I'm going to be showing you these first. And I think I want to start with the MAC ones. So I do have these MAC bullets, so I'm going to be swatching these. Okay, so from MAC I do have 16 shades, so I already swatched them all right here. I went a little bit crooked, but it's okay. So starting from the top, I'm going to name them going down. So the first one is Relentlessly Red. Then we have Impassioned. Then we have Pink Nouveau. Then we have Please Me, Plumful. And then we have the Viva Glam Miley Cyrus. Then we have Diva. And then we have the Viva Glam Nicki Minaj. Then we have Candy Yum Yum, Ruby Woo, Vegas Volt, and then I have the Ellie Goulding. It's in the shade Only You. And then we have Whirl. And then we have Viva Glam Miley Cyrus 2, Kinda Sexy, and last but not least, Angel. So these are all the MAC lipsticks that I have right here. So moving on, I do have the ColourPop Luster Luxe lipsticks, and they look like this. I do have a video where I unbox these, like I swatched them, I believe. So I have 8 shades of this ones. So once again, these are the shades starting from the top to the bottom. The first shade is Stone Fox. Then we have Uno Mas, Layover, Still Crazy, Money Side Up, Ghosted, Foolish, and La Lady or LA Lady. I'm guessing it's LA Lady. So yeah, these are the swatches of those 8 lipsticks. Okay, so moving on, I have a variety of brands. So these are the other section from my lipsticks. So the first 3 are from Milani, and they look like this. So starting from here, so this one is Flamingo Rose, and then we have Nude Cream, and then we have Rose Amour. So then this one is from Gerard Cosmetics, and it's in the shade Buttercup. And then we have a Maybelline one right here, which is called Party Pink. And then we have this one is from Estee Lauder, and it's called Wild Ginger. And then the next one right here, this is from Ulta, and this is called MORPHE Me. And then the last one is from Elizabeth Arden, and it's called Barely There. And then from the other section, I do have this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea mini lipstick, and this is in the shade Cabana Boy, and it looks like this right here. And then I have a Revlon lipstick in the shade Gladiolus. I can't even say this. Gladiolus. And as you guys can see, it's not even open yet. I haven't even used this. So this is what it looks like. And then I have 2 lipsticks from Mary Kay. So the first one is called Always Apricot. So that's that shade right there. And the other one that I have is called Moth Moment, and it's this shade right here. And then I also have a SLP lipsticks. These used to come on my Ipsy bags. So it's called Vengeance, and this is what it looks like. and it's like a purpley shade. So that's the shade right there. Oh, and I have another Mary Kay one, and this is in the shade Dusty Rose. So that's the shade right there. And then I have another one of the Elizabeth Arden, and this is in the shade Pink Pucker. It's right there. Then I have a Smashbox lipstick, and this is in the shade Mandarin. It's that shade right there. And I have this other lipstick. I have no idea what brand it is because once again it came on my Ipsy bag, but it just looks like this. It has like a little martini glass right there, and this is in the shade Scarlet Cocktail. It's that last shade right there. Then I have a NYX lipstick, and this is in the shade Rose. I don't know why it's called Rose because this is literally not a rose shade. I mean, it is pink, but it's like a bright orangey pinkish shade. And then I have a Bella Pierre lipstick, and this is in the shade Pink. And that's that shade right there. And then I have two Marc Jacob lipsticks. I think these came on the birthday, Sephora birthday gift that they give you. So the first shade is called Kiss Kiss Bang Bang. And that's that shade right there. And the other Marc Jacobs actually came when I became Rouge, so it's like the red one. And this is called So Rouge. So that's the shade right there. So that is it for this little tower. So moving on, I do have these little containers that look like this, and this is where I store my liquid lipsticks and lip glosses. So the next lipsticks that I have, these are liquid lipsticks, and they are the LA Girl matte liquid lipsticks. So these are the shades right here that I have. The first shade is called Frisky, and then we have Iconic, and then we have Floor, and then we have Bazaar, Rebel, and last but not least, Secret. So these are all the LA Girl liquid lipsticks that I have. Okay, my hand is already stained from lipstick. So moving on, I have two Gerard Cosmetics lipsticks, and the first shade is called Serenity. This was the Manny MUA collaboration that he did with Gerard Cosmetics. So this is the first shade that I have right here. This is called Serenity. And the other shade that I have is called Share. And it's that other shade right there. So I only have two of these. So moving on, I do have three Ofra liquid lipsticks, and these are the Manny MUA collab again. I love Manny so much, so anything that he comes up, I get. So these are the three of his shades that he come up with. So the first one is called Aries, because of course his sign is Aries. So that's the shade right here, Aries. The other shade that I have is called Charmed, and this is my favorite one of all of them. It's that shade right there. And last but not least, the last shade is called Hypno. And it's that dark shade right there. So moving on, I do have the ColourPop Ultra Matte Liquid Lipsticks, and they're all ultra matte because I like the ultra matte formula. So these are the shades right here. I know I went a little bit crazy crooked there. So the first shade is called Solo, and then we have Clueless, Donut, Bumble, Highball, Ouija, Mars, and then we have Arriba, that's the I Love Sarai collection. And then we have Creeper, then we have More Better, we have Bad Habit, we have Scrooge, and last but not least, we have Pacific. So these are all the ultra matte liquid lipsticks from ColourPop that I have. I do have a swatch video on these on my lips, so I'll just link that on the description box below so you guys can go check that out too. Okay, so next I'm going to be moving on to my other little container that I have. So I'm sorry for these swatches. I know they're kind of bad. So the first four right here, these are from NYX. And the first shade is called Ibiza. Then we have Milan. Then we have Morocco. And then we have Addis Ababa. And then these two right here, these are from the Kat Von D. So the first shade right there is called Bachelorette. And then we have Double Dare. And then this red one right here is from Stila. It looks like this. And this is in the shade Beso. And then this other one is from Sephora. It's a liquid lipstick by Sephora. And this is in the shade, I'm guessing it's Peony or Peony. And then this right here is from the Too Faced Melted lipsticks. And this is in the shade Melted Peony. I don't know how to say it. I'm sorry. And then these two last right here. I'm sorry for that swatch, but that's just terrible swatch. These are the LA Girl glazed lip paints. So this is in the shade Tango. And then we have the shade Blushing. So yeah, these are all the other liquid lipsticks. Okay, so moving on, I have these other ones. So the first three shades right here are from Kylie Cosmetics. The first one is called Dirty Peach. And then we have Candy K, and then we have Autumn. So then this other one is from Lorac, and they look like these. They're the pencil ones, and that's in the shade Mauve. And then we have a Dose of Colors in the shade Stone. And then this other one is from Wet n Wild, like these ones, the cat eye ones. No, not the cat eye. The liquid catsuit ones, and that's in the shade Rebel Rose. And then this other one is from this brand Kaylin. This also came on my Ipsy bag, and this is in the shade Narcissist. And then we have this one right here, which is a Morphe one, which looks like this, and it's in the shade Schoolgirl. And last but not least, right here we have a Tarte one, and it's in the Birthday Suit. So these are all the other ones that I have. And moving on, I have these. Wait, are these the same? Yes. I have these two NARS mini lipsticks. I think these came like also on the birthday Sephora ones. So the first one is called Corella, and it looks like this right here. And the other one that I have is called, I can't spell this, I can't say it, Ricusian or something like that, and it's this natural shade right here. Okay, and then moving on to my lip glosses. I really don't have a lot of lip glosses because I really don't use lip glosses a lot. So these are all the lip glosses that I have right here. So starting from the top to the bottom once again, the first one is from Bare Minerals, and it looks like these right here, and it's in the shade Birthday Babe. I received that on my Ulta birthday gift. And then the next one is from Cargo, and it's in the shade Anguilla. And then we have a next one, and then it's in the shade Angel Food Cake. And then we have another Bare Minerals, and it's in the shade Party Starter. And then we have this Hikari one right here, and it's in the shade Merlot. And then we have a Victoria's Secret one, and it's in the shade Love After. And then we have a Buxom one, which is called Sophia. And then we have a Bombshell one, and it's called Secret. That's right here. And then we have this other one. It's another Victoria's Secret one, and it's in the shade Crushed. And then we have a Gerard Cosmetics right here, and it's in the shade Nude. And then these two are from NARS. The first one is called Super Vixen. And the last one is called Orgasm. So these are all my lip glosses right here. And then I have all this little drawer with the ColourPop Lippie lipsticks. I'm not going to be swatching these because my arm and my hand are already so mad at me. It's so sore from wiping away all the lipsticks. But I do have a video on these, like specifically on these. So I will also list that video on the description box below so you guys can go check it out if you want to. So yeah, I do have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. I do have 20 of these lippy sticks, so I'm not going to be swatching all of them because my hand, it's already sore. So like I said, I do have a video on that, so you guys can go check it out. So yeah, that's it. This is all my lipstick collection, and like I said in one of my videos, I really don't use all the shades. I'm trying to use them more constantly because there's some shades that I haven't even touched. So I do want to continue, I do want to start using all of them. So yeah, this is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like my lipstick collection. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.